How to find videos backup settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find videos backup settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find these 3 points in top. Click on it and click settings here, and then just click chats and scroll down until you find chat backup, and go down. Here you will find this one here. uh, you can turn it on or off just by one click, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.